Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Virgo, before we begin, we're going to take our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a guidance, blessing, message, or advice for Virgo. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Let's see. This one. All right, let's keep this card here, Virgo. And let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Virgo, is safe travel. So either you're traveling, Virgo, or no, actually, the real meaning of this card, Virgo, is you're moving from one phase of your life to another. This is a huge transition which is being supported and guided by your angels, even though this may seem a bit scary right now, but please know that your angels are carrying you on their back. You're crossing that river, but not even a little toe of yours is going to get wet, right? So you're going to be protected, you're going to be cared for, and this is a necessary and beautiful transition that is imperative for your life's growth. So don't worry about whatever you're going through, whatever phase you are leaving behind or moving towards is going to be great for you. So let's open your cards and see what this is all about. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for being so kind to me, for all your comments, lovely, beautiful comments, your likes, your shares, your support to the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. And if you're new here, Virgo, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's see, this newbies, this is just a small 9-card spread to check if there's any message here for you today. Your longer reads have already been put up and more are coming. Your next longer read will be on Thursday, but I'll leave the link of the ones already posted at the end of the video in case you want to catch those. So let's see, what's bottom of my deck is Judgment in reverse. Okay. If any of you are looking for a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So I have the Queen of Swords in reverse, 7 of Cups in reverse, 9 of Cups, King of Swords, 9 of Swords, 10 of Cups, the Empress, 5 of Wands, and the 4 of Cups. The worst is almost over, which is a good sign to see the last card is here. And the center of my spread, I also see the end of sleepless nights, of over-worrying, of having those horrid nightmares, not being able to rest, sleep, overthinking. So this is in reverse. And see, that's why I said some of these reversal cards are even better than the upright ones, because this tells you this is the end. Okay, no more of this coming up soon, or maybe it's already begun. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, Virgo, what that would be. Deepest thoughts and emotions, Spirit. Let's take a few more from here, Virgo. Deepest thoughts and emotions for Virgo and their partner. All right. First card I have here for you. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You're my ultimate fantasy. Next card. You have half our gifts, I the other. If you would only work with me instead of being silent and shutting me out, we could overcome any obstacle together and heal in sacred union. Next card. Loving you is knowing what true love is. There is no logical explanation for my feelings. My heart only responds to yours. You are my endless love. I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not to only stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. There's a lot of love here. Shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. All right, so there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of love here, but in the past, I do see a Queen of Swords in reverse. So maybe some distrust issues or some anger or upset because maybe somebody was not making a decision. Yeah, this Queen of Swords got really upset regarding maybe the fact that either a decision was not being made and things were going in a very wrong direction. Why aren't you deciding? Why aren't you making a firm choice here? Everything was probably stuck for some time. This Queen of Swords said, oh my God, is it my bad luck? You know, and maybe started holding back from this connection. But now I think somebody has finally made a decision to find their own happiness here first and foremost. Seven of Cups, Spirit. There's no more confusion here. There's no more confusion here because I think this Queen of Swords is still very angry, still very upset, and saying, hey, if there is not going to be any fresh new start, fresh new beginning, I'm sure my masculine is, weak or not taking action, or maybe it's just being selfish and self-centered at the moment. I want them to choose me. I want them to not keep me in confusion now. All I want now is happiness between the two of us. Maybe there's been an argument regarding this, making this choice now, but don't worry, Virgo. Again, I'm saying that worst is already over now. Things are going to get better from now on. Maybe you both had an argument because I do see the King of Swords is in reverse and the Queen of Swords was in reverse. So the argument was about, hey, let's get out of this confusion. Let's just make a choice. Let's just kind of start our life together. All I want is to be happy. But I do see some kind of wishes coming true now and some healing coming to this dynamic now. So, King of Swords in reverse, Spirit, King of Swords, clarified by the Queen of Swords once again. So, why are they both in reverse, Spirit? Why are they arguing? Yes, because maybe there's no working together between the two of you at the moment. You're not being able to find that common ground that, hey, let's just get together and work together. And there's been arguments regarding that fact. Nine of Swords, Spirit. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords. Even though, these fights or arguments have been had. Why am I stuttering suddenly, my God? Because right after that, I see a 10 of Cups. So what I'm trying to say, if any bad memories have been created in the past with these arguments or not working together, there is somebody here who wants to step up to the plate. Okay, there is somebody who doesn't want this chapter to shut down completely. They don't want to close out this chapter. They want to bring relief to this feminine, I think, by, let's see what they want to do here. They want to make things right because they feel if I don't, I'll lose the best thing in my life. This is the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. And if I don't make a decision right now, this entire thing my life will backfire on me because I do want to have this 10 of Cups with them. I found one more message card which I forgot to read. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of all the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? Right? So if there's anything that has happened in the past, somebody is wanting to now strengthen up or man up or woman up, I don't know. But they don't want this chapter to shut down either. 10 of Cups, Spirit? Ten of Cups. Yeah, somebody wants to send you that message that, hey, listen, we are meant to be together. You are my happiness. I want to make that decision. I have made that decision that I want to have my Ten of Cups with you. Empress. Empress. There is little bit of delay going on here, Virgo, but I do see do have the Empress upright. So whatever indecision has been going on in this connection will soon be dropped. There will be no going back and forth. There will be no juggling. There will be, I do see an Empress in the upright and the Five of Wands in reverse, which again is a great card to have, in reverse. That means the end of conflict. So all this fighting and everything is soon going to be coming to an end from what I feel. Yes, if you guys have been separated or you've both been isolated from each other, all those days are going to soon pass, Virgo. Keep that faith. It's going to be the end of all these sleepless nights because passion is headed your way big time. It's going to be an end of all this dark night of the soul, stress, tension, all that is going to be dropped now. Four of Cups. Yes, somebody's coming towards you with an offer of love, which will seem like maybe brand new. One more. Yeah, somebody wants to come and apologize for all the conflict that they've created maybe. They want to apologize for not putting in the work. They have been really, really stressed out as well and they want to put an end to all this overthinking, stress, tension. And they feel that, since whatever has happened between the two of you, I've got nothing but bad karma for my actions and I was dreading this. But now I want to do the right thing. I want to offer you this 1111, beautiful soulmate connection. Let's get together and live happily ever after kind of a connection. So anything else for my Virgo spirit? Anything else for my Virgo? Yes, forward movement. All the silliness of the past, I think, is going to be left behind now, Virgo. There is this forward movement coming into your life with truth, with victory, happiness. And this is, I think, after a long time I've seen a reading like this for Virgo. There's been a lot of waiting for, I think, this masculine to make up their mind. But I think now things are going to start pushing ahead in a very positive way. Yes, you are going to be moving from one phase of your life to another. Okay, so don't second guess this connection. It's a beautiful connection. Somebody is ashamed of their actions. They are going to come and apologize and offer you their love finally. Okay, so I do see somebody losing hope and thinking the worst of their partner right now, but don't do that because happiness is headed your way. That's all I can say. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.